Hello guys, Brandon here, and oh my god, today in this video we're doing another unboxing and review of this thing, the Nerf 2-in-1 Demolisher. Oh my god, I can't know what to say. So let's get into this. I'll cut to you when I've got the actual gun out. Guys, I'm back. Here it is. The Nerf 2-in-1 Demolisher. Oh my god. This is unbelievable. I can't believe I'm actually unboxing this. So, just got it out of the box. I get it out of these impossible wires again. But yeah guys, I'm not going to be joined by Luke for this video because he has got to go out shopping. He might be able to call for me later now, which is when we'll be doing the review. It's either today or tomorrow where we're going to be doing the review of this beast. Yeah guys, if you didn't know, Luke's wanted this gun forever and I feel so bad because he's so mad. But here it is. The Nerf 2-in-1 Demolisher. Oh my god. Right, so next thing I'm going to be getting out is the stock. Here's the stock with a missile storage. Snap that on the end of that. Here is the Nerf 2-in-1 Demolisher. I'm going to actually put the missile in. By the way guys, it's all nice and tight in there. It's not going to fall out. Let's fire it at the wall just for a quick review on the... Let's have another try at that. But yeah, pretty good. This all won't work. Yeah, it works. I just couldn't see it because it's a massive gun. But yeah guys, going to be getting out the banana clip. By the way guys, I'm using these tiny scissors, so that's why it's taking me so long. Here's the worker's banana clip. Time to put the darts in. Yep. There we go, all 10 bullets in there. There we go. I will cut back to you guys when I have a screwdriver so I can put the batteries in. Sorry about that. Guys, I'm back with the screwdrivers. Not got a clue which one works, that's why I got all of them. Let's hope it's this one. going to take me a while to figure this out, so I will pause it till I actually get it out. I will see you guys in a minute. Guys, I'm back with 4 AA batteries. The battery is out, so let's put them in. That is it. Should put that back on, and I'll see you guys when I get the battery panel back on. Guys, I am back. It's all in. Should work now. Crap. Alright, so it should work now. It's not working. I'll come back to you guys when it's working. Guys, I'm back. Let's hope it works. Oh wait, nope, don't work. Pause it. Get you guys back when it works. Guys, I'm back. It works now. Yeah, this gun is awesome. There's the missile. But yeah, guys, that's going to be at the end for the unboxing. I will be doing the review, hopefully, either later tonight or tomorrow with Luke, because Luke wants to do it with me. And I will see you guys later. Peace.